In this video, I'll show you how to create a downloading bar in Camtasia. First, start by drawing a simple rectangle shape. This will form the base of our downloading bar. Next, duplicate the rectangle to create the first segment of the downloading bar. Set the duration of this segment to half a second to control its timing. Once you've adjusted the duration, copy this segment to create more parts of the bar. Now, arrange all the shapes in the timeline and adjust their positions to create a smooth downloading effect. Finally, select all the downloading bar elements and adjust their width to achieve the desired look. Additionally, you can group all tracks to a simple object, add it to a library for later use, then you can use it on other projects without recreate it manually. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.